How y'all are this evening? It's George Jones, Bragg about guns and ammo. To do the old 60-second marksmanship tip, this ain't much of a marksmanship tip. You saw me give the lecture on shooting Axis manufactured World War II ammunition. Well, this is a short talk on US-made World War II ammunition, which now is approaching 80 years old. This is some 1943, 44, 45 produced 30 caliber carbine ammunition in steel case. Most ammunition manufactured by the U.S. government during World War II past 1942 was of the steel case variety. Believe it or not, this ammunition is actually reloadable once or twice if you can resize it a little bit. This is a magazine of extremely grubby, questionably stored World War II ammunition. We're going to put it in an old 30 caliber carbine here and see if we can get it to operate. Whoop, one malfunction. See if we can clear that guy out of there. We're going again. Well, that was 14 out of 15 rounds. Everything worked, only one malfunction. Pretty good considering 80-year-old ammunition. All right then, we'll see you. Come by the store. Buy something off of us. We'll see y'all.
America.